Second problem. So integral from 0 to 1 x raised to m minus 1 into 1 minus x square bracket raised to n minus 1 dx is 1 by 2 beta of m by 2 comma n. So this problem asked 2 times in SPPU exam. So say that integral as I 0 to 1 x raised to m minus 1 1 minus x square raised to n minus 1 dx, say equation 1. Then again this integral contains bracket and inside that bracket subtraction of two terms, therefore you have to use beta function. Now in beta function, what is the substitution? Second term of bracket upon first term equals to t. So x square upon 1 equals to t. Therefore x square equals to t. So x equals to t raised to 1 by 2. If you shift this power to right hand side, then you have to take the reciprocal. After getting x, you have to differentiate with respect to t. Differentiate with respect to t. So dx by dt equals to 1 by 2 into t raised to 1 by 2 minus 1. So dx equals to 1 by 2 into t raised to 1 by 2 minus 1 is minus 1 by 2 dt. So this is dx. After dx, limits. Now what are the limits? So use relation between t and x. So t equals to x square. Lower limit t equals to, what is the lower limit of x? 0. So 0 square is 0. Then calculate upper limit. What is the upper limit of x? 1. So t equals to 1 square is 1. Then that equation 1 becomes, if you substitute all these values, which values? X square, x, dx and limits in equation 1. Then that equation 1 becomes 0 to 1 x, but value of x is t raised to 1 by 2. So t raised to 1 by 2 raised to m minus 1 into 1 minus x square is t raised to n minus 1 into dx is 1 by 2 t raised to minus 1 by 2 into dt. Now this 1 by 2 is constant, so write down outside the integral, take product of these two terms by law of indices. So 1 by 2 m minus 1 by 2, 1 minus t raised to n minus 1, t raised to minus 1 by 2 dt. Again this term and this term base same, so take addition of powers. So 1 by 2 0 to 1 t raised to m by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, this power and this power into 1 minus t raised to n minus 1 dt. So this is 1 by 2 integral from 0 to 1 m by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 is minus 1, 1 minus t raised to n minus 1 dt. Now this is standard beta integral. So you can write down its answer in terms of beta. Add 1 in this power, so minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled, m by 2. Add 1 in power of this bracket, so n minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. So this is n. This is nothing but the right hand side. So this is the answer of that problem number 2. So this is important problem. This problem asked 2 times in SPPU exam. Now problem number 3. Now in previous 2 problems, single bracket. Now here integral contains 2 brackets. So we have to use another type of substitution. So what is the substitution? Now this is 2 lower limit, this 5 is upper limit. So you can use this substitution. x minus lower limit equals to upper limit minus lower limit into t. So lower limit is 2, upper limit is 5 minus 2 into t. So x minus 2 equals to 3t. So x equals to 3t plus 2. So this is x. Now after getting x, you have to differentiate with respect to t. So dx by dt equals to derivative of 3t is 3 into 1, derivative of 2 is 0. So dx equals to 3 dt. This is dx. Then limits t equals to, what is the relation between x and t? 3t equals to x minus 2. So you have to shift this 3 to this side. So x minus 2 upon 3. Lower limit. What is the lower limit of x? 2. So put x equals to 2. 2 minus 2 upon 3. So 0 upon 3 is 0. Upper limit t equals to. Now put x equals to upper limit. So replace this x by upper limit. 5 minus 2, that is 3 upon 3 is 1. Then this equation 1 becomes I equals to 0 to 1 x minus 2, but value of x minus 2 is 3t. So 3t raised to 3 into in bracket 5 minus x. This is x. So minus x means 3t plus 2 raised to 2 dx. dx is 3 dt. So 3 dt. Now we can open this bracket. 3t raised to 3 means 3 raised to 3 into t raised to 3. Now simplify this. 5 minus 3t minus plus minus minus plus minus raised to 2 into 3 dt. Now this 3 raised to 3 and this 3, they are constant. So power is 3, power is 1. So 3 raised to 3 plus 1 into t cube. 5 minus 2 is 3 minus 3t raised to 2 into dt. Now you can take this 3 outside the bracket because of 3 is common term. 3 plus 1 is 4 into t raised to 3. Now you can take 3 outside with power 2. So 3 raised to 2, 1 minus t raised to 2 dt. So this power is 4, this power is 2. So 0 to 1, 3 raised to 4 plus 2 is 6 into t raised to 3 into 1 minus t raised to 2 dt. Now this 3 raised to 6 is constant. You can write down outside. 0 to 1 t cube into 1 minus t raised to 2 dt. Now this is standard beta integral. You can write down in terms of beta. So beta 3 plus 1 is 4, 2 plus 1 is 3. So its answer is 3 raised to 6 gamma 4 into gamma 3 into gamma 7. So 3 raised to 6 into gamma 4 means 3 factorial, gamma 3 means 2 factorial upon 6 factorial. So using calculator you can calculate this answer. So this is problem number